it's Miss Asia from Club Whitaker, and we are going to be doing Easter Bingo. This should be either sent to you something that you can pick up, or hopefully something that we can get for the kids on their tablets. I understand not everybody has a printer available. I understand that, things are a little bit tough right now. So if you do end up getting to pick it up, go ahead and cut out the caller list. So there will be a caller list, and you will cut them up and you will put them in a hat, a little bowl, or whatever you want to use, even a cup, and you'll just cut them up, fold them, and then put them in here so that you can call out the letters. So obviously bingo is BINGO, and so all those letters have a math problem on them, whether it's division, addition, subtraction, multiplication questions on them for you to call out. And then if you are able to print or pick up, then there will be little bingo cards as well for you. There should be a set of 7. And if you are unable to pick them up, unable to get a printer, hopefully we can get them on their tablets. So where they can just pick one of the 7 cards on their tablets, and then you can have the caller list physical there for you, and you can just call out random numbers. So all the materials that you'll basically need is obviously the bingo card, you'll need some beans, coins. I even got little pennies. That's what I'm gonna be using for mine. You can have the caller list, whether the physical copy cut up or on obviously virtually. You'll need a pencil, which I have a pencil right here. The kids would need a scratch piece of paper, or they can write down the math problems right here. So what's gonna happen is whatever your caller has, you'll call out a piece. So I'm just gonna pick one randomly. And so this one says N, and it's 7 times 5. So 7 times 5. So with every single question, even if it's something simple that you know that they can get, just have them write it out. So have them just write 7 times 5, like I did so. Hopefully you can see it. And then have them answer it. So then that is 35. So then that is obviously going to be N35. So they'll look on their bingo cards, do they have N35? If they do, then they'll pick up whatever they're going to use to cover that space, whether it's the coin, whether it's the beans, or whether even if you just use the pencil too to exit out, cross that one out, and then you can do a cross, you can do vertical, or you can do blackout if you want to. There's several different rounds that you can do. So once you're done with that one, the caller will just keep that in front of them so that when somebody does get bingo, they can go recall and check on them and see if they have the correct ones. So every single one is different. Let me see if I can get another one as an example for you how different each one of these are. That's another. Let's see. Let's try this one. So this one says G 75 minus 18. So that's one they're really going to have to write down. So then you'll say it slowly again. You'll say 75 minus 18. And then give them a little bit of time to do that math, whether it's a minute, whether if you think it's a little bit of a harder one where they're going to need 2 minutes, go ahead and give them 2 minutes. Either way, try to give them a little bit of time to do the ones that are subtraction or division so that they can really get them down and really practice on their skills. So once you're done doing all of that, what we're really hoping to see is can they demonstrate adding, subtracting whole numbers? Can they properly recall their multiplication table? Can they divide? Are they still able to divide um, whole numbers? And also, when you're done, there will be reflection questions for them, and you'll ask them what did they learn, which problems were a little bit more challenging for them, so maybe then you can go back with them and figure out why was that so challenging for them. Maybe they struggled on subtracting, and then you can go back and break down the equation with them, and then ask them, do they think that they need to improve anywhere, or do they really have down those skills to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So it is called Easter Bingo. Hopefully you can get a physical copy. If not, again, this will be available somehow for you guys to use. So that's Easter bingo. Thank you.